Hey Student Success, this is one of your week one assignment videos. I just want to point out under the Start Here section, if you have not already done so, please go ahead and watch the welcome video. This is going to really walk you through the navigation of the course and just make sure you're set up and successful for this first week. Also, go ahead and spend some time in that Start Here area. I'm going to go ahead and get into the lessons folder. And we're going to go ahead and scroll down. And the reminder, a couple things I talked about in the assignment, or excuse me, the welcome video, is your discussion forums that are here all semester long. So take use of those as needed. We are going to soon have your Student Success Workshop video uploaded. That is going to be its own separate video. It is due by the end of the semester, which in our case is only 8 weeks, but I will have a separate video that goes over that specific workshop video. So for us to get into week one, you're going to see the week one folder bright orange, just like this one, but you're not going to be able to see the week one folder bright orange until you complete this required syllabus quiz with 100%. Whenever you complete this required syllabus quiz with 100%, then you will see this week one folder right here open up. So let's go ahead and talk about week one. First off, inside the week one video folder, we have the chapter 1 lecture video and we have the chapter 2 lecture video. This is also where you're going to, in theory, be watching our assignment videos. So I always recommend to students, to either look at the PowerPoints, read the chapter, and or look at the videos. Somehow interact with the materials so that you are ready for the assignments associated with the week. So if we go ahead and get into week one, you can see that you have 4 assignments due this week. This video is just going to focus on the discussion forums, and then I'm going to do a follow-up video that's going to talk about those 2 assignments. That way it's not too long of a video. But all weeks are going to be set up just like this, where you have an overview, what you're going to read, and then the work that you're going to do. Inside the materials folder, you're going to see all the materials that you're going to need for this week. There's the link for the textbooks, the slides, some other resources. So feel free to spend as much or as little time in there as needed. Also in here, you are going to see a starfish video. So for some reason, we decided to put in 2 videos. This is the chapter, like week 1, but how to use the starfish video, you're going to go ahead and click here, and it's going to take you, it's going to have an ad. Power of AI to build the website you need. But it's going to go through a starfish video so that you can kind of learn about that particular resource here on campus. Whenever you're done watching it, you're just going to click Mark Reviewed, and that is going to allow this assignment folder to open up. So I know it seems like a lot of hoops, and I apologize. When the class was coordinated, it's just all the students who come to the college have to take this class, and so we try to catch as many as possible to show them about all these resources. So once you have watched this little starfish video, your assignment video will open. I'm going to click on that, and here is where all your assignments are. So you can see the forums right here, and then the 2 assignments, and I'll talk about that as well. Right now, this video is just going to talk about your 2 discussion forums, just so the video isn't too long. So for Wednesday this week, you have to post in both the discussion chapter 1 and the chapter 2 discussions. So you have to post by Wednesday to get your weekly attendance. You're kind of graded twice for discussion boards. Basically, the first time that you post is going to get you your attendance. So you're going to get, every Wednesday when you have a discussion forum, you have to post. That's going to give you 100% attendance. Let's say you post by Thursday or Friday, even Saturday or Sunday. As long as you post, you'll get partial attendance. Now, the second way you get graded is, did you answer the prompt? So let's say you posted in time, but you didn't answer the prompt. You may get 100% attendance, but maybe only like a 6 out of 10 on your actual work that you did. So that's what I mean by you're getting graded twice. You're getting that attendance grade, and then you're getting the assignment grade. So for this week, you have to post in both chapter 1 and chapter 2. So what does that look like? So right here, chapter 1, it says there are 2 parts. Part 1, introduce yourself and discuss your major or certifications so you can get to know your classmates. So just real quick, your name. Sometimes we don't go by the names that are posted in Blackboard. So your name, and then what are you here at our state for? And then part 2. Select 4 of the 9 topics. You can see there are 9 topics here. You only need to select 4. So let's say I want to do topics 1, 4, 6, and 8. I don't know, whatever you want to do. You complete the 2 statements next to each topic. So attitude. My most negative attitude toward college is fill in the blank, if you will, and then here's what I'll do to be more positive. So it's kind of like a fill in the blank, but you're picking 4 of the 9. So make sure you pick 4 of these 9. If you want, you can even just like copy and paste the prompt, like the topics there. When you go to actually respond, click on the name of the discussion. It's going to repopulate as soon as you go to create thread. So you don't have to like click back and forth or anything. And here's where you could go ahead and let's say, I'm going to do, this one. So I'm going to put that down here, and then you can kind of copy and paste from there, or however you want to do that, whatever is the easiest thing for you to do. So pick 4 of the 9, kind of fill in the 2 statements for each. So you're filling out basically 8 statements, right? 2 in each of your 4 topics. And then once you've answered that, go ahead and hit submit. Once you've posted your original response, you need to go back in and respond to 2 classmates. And if you don't know how to respond, go back to my welcome video. I walk you through that. You're going to respond to 2 classmates. So a response is a couple sentences. It's not just, I agree, good job, me too. It's, asking a question or building off of or comparing or contrasting. It's really interacting as if we were in a physical classroom with that person as well. All right, so that is for the chapter 1 discussion. Remember, there are 2 this week. So let's get back and let's take a look at chapter 2. It's set up in a very similar way. It says select 4 of the 6 topics. So same concept. There are 6 items here. You pick 4 of the 6 you want to focus on, and then complete 2 statements that go with each topic. Okay, so once you do that, same thing. You'll go in, you'll click on the name of the discussion, create thread, it repopulates, and then you respond to 2 classmates as well. So you have a total of 4 responses to complete for week 1. 2 responses in the chapter 1 discussion and 2 responses in the chapter 2 discussion. So for just the discussion boards, please make sure you post your original response by Wednesday. That gives you week 1 100% attendance. If you post after Wednesday, you can still get attendance points. So don't just think, oh my gosh, I missed it, no point now. No, you can still get attendance points. You'll just get partial attendance. But then remember, you're also getting graded on, did you actually answer the question? Did you pick 4 of the 9 topics? Did you introduce yourself? Down here, did you pick 4 of the 6 topics? Because if you only pick like 2 of the 6, you're not getting 10 out of 10 points for the discussion. So make sure you complete everything. All right, when I come back, you are going to see the next video for this assignment and this assignment as well. I'll talk a little bit about this down here. So come back in for that next assignment video.